Warning, whooping cough is spreading and affecting millions of people right this minute.
Whooping cough, a highly contagious respiratory infection caused by a bacteria, Bordetella pertussis.
Million citizens worldwide are being affected every year, and 294,000 have already died.
Whooping cough is spread through direct contact with fluids from the nose or mouth from an infected person.
To prevent whooping cough, you need to be vaccinated with DTaP when you are younger than 2 months old.
Specialized doctors have just released that boosters will be given to children older than 11 years of age.
There were 13,800 hospitalizations between the years of 1994 and 1998.
There were 17,000 hospitalizations of children less than 2 years of age between the years of 1999 and 2003.
In 2011, there were 16,858 cases of whooping cough. Now, most importantly, the next step is for the public to be aware of ways they can help. Number 1, wash your hands. Make sure to use soap and wash your hands for a proper amount of time. That's good.
The second step is to cover your cough.
The next step is to get your children vaccinated before they are 2 months old.